welcome back to CodeMine. Carry here. So in this video, we will talk about what is the importance of Docker or what is the functionality of Docker. What was the problem we were facing during the deployment or the development so that we have to use Docker now. So we will discuss this important topic in this video. So let's move to the first slide. So in this, without Docker, you guys can see before using Docker, we were deploying services or our application directly on a VM or a server, right? So for example, I am running a application where I need to run a web application, a MySQL DB, a MongoDB, a messaging app like RabbitMQ, Gearman, Kafka, or a Redis for the cache. So my whole application is dependent upon these components. If any one component of like web, MySQL, Mongo, if any component stop working, then my application will be down. So in this scenario, the handling of the application is difficult, right? Or for example, I want to migrate my application from this location to some another location, or I just want to create a copy from of my project or my application from one client to another client, right? So there could be a separate infrastructure or a separate operating system, or there could be a separate environment, development environment in both of the clients. So that time I have lots of trouble to migrate my application to a someone's different environment, right? At that time I have to take care of that of my library which is compatible to my MySQL version, my Mongo version, or my RabbitMQ version. All the dependencies are there or not. So the issue is that main issue is that we have to install all the dependencies separately, then we have to install MySQL, then we need to check the dependencies. There is a lots and lots of issue in case of when we are not using Docker. So to solve this kind of issue, we need to use Docker. So what happens when we use Docker? So in the Docker, we create a container for each and every application, right? For example, for web application, we create a container 1. For MongoDB, we create a container 2. For MySQL, we create a container 3, and so on for the RabbitMQ Gearman and our application Redis, right? So here we create a container. In that container, we have a complete environment for the applications, right? For example, web app, we required Apache, or we need a framework, we need a PHP, Python, whatever we need to run the web application. That every service, every library, or whatever the third party dependency that is present in that container, right? So in this case, we do not need to take care of what OS is there, what kind of hardware is there, right? Because everything is present into the container. We just need to deploy our container into our VM, right? And we just need to run that container only. We do not need to do anything extra, right? We just need to install Docker into our system, right? So automatically that Docker will handle each and everything, right? Automatically when I start a container of my web application, and I start container of my MySQL, MongoDB, RabbitMQ, and my Redis, automatically they will map with each other, right? So now I'm not worried about what kind of dependency is required for the applications, what kind of libraries are required, what is their version, what is the version of operating system. So I am now free of that. So you guys can see that how much Docker is useful here, right? So hope you guys understand this thing, that how Docker is helping us to make a easy process of deployment of application, right? So here we just need to copy the container from one location to another location, Just we need to run that container with a single Docker command, and automatically our whole application will be available at different location. So that is what is the Docker is doing right now. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any query, question, or anything which you guys feel confusing, please comment into the comment box. We are here to answer your queries. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.